Now we will see the lesson from the Stories of Crime Rapid Reading, A Jury of Our Peers by Susan Galspel. So Susan Galspel wrote A Jury of Her Peers, which is a feminist story. The story is based on three ladies. The first lady is Mrs. Martha Hale, Minnie Foster, and Mrs. Peter. Mrs. Martha Hale is a protagonist character of the story. Minnie Foster was arrested after murder for her husband, and Mrs. Martha Hale and Mrs. Peter are brought together by their husband at the murder site. The murder site is the farmhouse of the John Wright and the Minnie Foster Wright, and their husband has given the responsibility to find any evidence for the case. Mrs. Martha Hale and Minnie Wright are considered as a jury. Minnie Foster is the name of her before marriage, and it was changed as a Minnie Wright after the marriage. So Mrs. Wright and Mrs. Martha Hale, they are imaginating the situation of the crime scene. Their investigation is like an intellectual investigation. This incident was happened in a rural area, Dickinson County, and the neighbors are not so close by distance to their farmhouse. So this shows the isolation of the people in their homes. Means as the houses are not close to the each other house, so there is a isolation of the people in their homes, and Mrs. Martha Hale and Minnie Wright are not so close to each other. Men have some prejudice about women, like racism. There is also discrimination on sexism. Sexism means equal treatment is not provided to women and men, and no two genders are same. Such discrimination is made on the basis of women and men. This is called gender discrimination. And in this story there are three male characters. They are Mr. Harry Hale, Mr. Peter, and Henderson. So story begins from here. Mrs. Martha Hale wanted to go in Dickinson County at Mrs. Minnie Foster Wright's home to see what has happened, but her kitchen was not in a no proper condition, so she first cleaned it properly. Then Mr. Hale and Sheriff, means Dickinson County's police, arrived there because Martha Hale's husband was the only person who saw the body of John Wright. John Wright is the husband of Minnie Wright. John Wright was strangulated to death. When Mr. Hale first reached to Minnie's house, that time Minnie was sitting on the rocking chair and she was laughing and told to Mr. Hale that her husband is murdered. So Mr. Hale had doubt on Minnie Wright. Minnie Foster is the name before marriage, and the surname was changed to Minnie Wright after her marriage. So Minnie Foster was a very bubbly girl, cheerful girl before marriage. But after her marriage, she was isolated from all her family, friends, and society. She has to do all work by her own on the farmhouse. She was not getting any new clothes to wear, like this treatment was given to her by her husband. She was living under suppression. He has not kept any single pet, but Minnie liked the canary birds. Canary birds mean singing birds. And Minnie Wright had only one canary bird, and that was kept in a cage. She was having only company of that bird. Mrs. Martha Hale and Mrs. Peter were first making assumptions about the case, but now they had got the key evidence of the case. They know that Minnie is an innocent person, so may she have murdered her husband because of the torture she was suffering from him. Mrs. Gorman is the wife of Sheriff, means police, and she came with Sheriff to give the company to Mrs. Martha Hale, and Mrs. Martha was now going to Minnie Wright's home. Mr. Henderson is the county's attorney who has arrived at scene. Mr. Hale was asked what he has actually seen on the murder site. Then Mr. Henderson, county's attorney, inspected the scene and saw that kitchen was not in a proper condition. The place was dirty. The kitchen sink was jammed. Mr. Hale nervously explains that he and his eldest son Harry were drinking were driving a load of potatoes to town and stopped by Right Home. Means Rights Home they have stopped to see that if they did like to have a telephone put in. Inside Hell found only Minnie, who was behaving very strangely. But John Wright said that he doesn't want to connect any telephone connection. The next day, Mr. Hale again visited the Minnie's home. That time, Minnie Wright was sitting on a rocking chair and was laughing. We will see the next part in the next video.